Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do an animation like this. Okay, if you understand, please comment and let me explain. Now, this shows him walking a all over 4 view way, which is very interesting. So as he keeps walking, normally you can see the onion skin here. Yeah, here. Now you can keep seeing him walking, walking, walking. Then you can see this guy up here. Let's say he's waiting and he just jumped down when he sighted the target. Now consider where I move the building so that can be like a camera flow. So he's here, building goes down, then he starts going down as the building goes up. Why the building is going up is because it shows that he's actually jumping from a high. Now, as he's jumping from a high building, I also make some things moving up so that to look more realistic. Then I did style this pose for him to be jumping on me for, which is also for anticipation. Then you can see as he's coming down, as he hit the ground, a little bit of dust came out. So you can now choose maybe the dust start going away from him, stuff like that. Then you can maybe to make something like this. That's be like as if he speed up in the speed of light, something like that. Then let's see, maybe it goes. Yeah, exactly. Now, as you can see, as immediately jump out, he isn't even expecting the punch, but through perspective, I was able to do this type of punch coming. Then his hand bends so that I can be able to make the entire body come out. Now, at this way, you will notice that it's facing front of you. Even if you're a dummy, you should know. Okay, as you notice that it's facing front view. Wait, I just need to do some more. Just like as if it is a very high perspective round. So as you can see, the guy is bending this way. So as to be like as if he's flying away. Then is smoking. Remember, this is just a rough sketch of an animation. So please comment and don't forget to subscribe. Then as you can see the explosion going up, you will notice that he already reached a point of stopping. So he gets ready to run again. Then I do a lot of stretching here because it is a perspective action. So I have to stretch the character so that it will look real and nice. I stretch the character, and let I stretch the character. I didn't want it to fade away like that, so I also put some part of the character here. So after I did that, it looks so smooth. See, so smooth. Then the guy starts falling down. For a moment, the only part of the puzzle is, yeah, he got bigger. The more he fell, the more bigger he got. So you guys should try to make it the same size and strength and stuff like that. Got that? Now, immediately fell down. You can see immediately stood like this. You can also be able to make your own much bigger. Like the much bigger the bigness of the dust coming out from the ground, something like that, so it will look more awesome, so that people can be able to like it more, you know. Then you can be able to put something here so that the ground will look like as if it's shaking, something like that. Or dust is coming out from the ground. You can do something like that. Just that can look more realistic to you. I recommend it. Oh, and also help me to subscribe to Wawa Boys. They are really good. You should watch their videos. Wawa Boys YouTube channel. If you want more tutorial, subscribe. Because if you don't and I don't see you, you might miss the next video. And the next video just keep getting awesome. So, this is how it is. Then at this point, you can notice that a little bit more dust came out. If I want to make the dust more outstanding, but there we go. Now he moves back up to attack. Here you see both of them ready to punch. This one and this one. So this one holds the punch. Make sure your sketch is solid so that you can be able to make a good animation out of it. Then he gives his own punch. Immediately he gives his own punch. It falls this side. Then this one stands like this. Then this one came with a good kick pose. Then gave him a knocking kick. He flies this way with a great stretch. Let me turn down the on your screen. Good kick. Immediately the kick was given. You can see it in a perspective view. Even if I want to draw it this way and take out this one, you can also see it in a perspective view. Then he comes to landing. Okay, just make sure your animation has a lot of strength, anticipation, and perspective. Now he's already weak on the ground, so I kind of made his body big, and a lot of camera movement was made in this, which was made with pencil. I didn't have time to actually buy a real camera, so as you can see, the hand is already moving for him to stand up, and you can use this in your animation one day. This one, like, see if he's stretching out of the bed. You can try this in your animation one day. It would probably help you. Then he gets up, then to go fight again. This is my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Subscribe for me and you have a good luck today. And oh, this was made in one layer, not two, not three, one layer. See, the camera movement is good. What I just need to do now is multiply this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we got this. You guys can try this method if you want to get better in animation. It's not hard, just need to try more. And this video is going to be reaching 11 minutes, so I love you guys. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. Subscribe, like, comment, and tell me what you think about this video. If you want me to improve, please tell me. I need your honest opinion. I mean honest, I mean totally honest. Thank you very much.